morning, guys. Time is around 9:14. मार्केट शुरू होने के लिए अभी जस्ट लेस देन 1 मिनट बाकी है. तो हम शुरुआत में ही ये ट्रेड करने के लिए रेडी रहेंगे. जैसे हमें ट्रेड मिलता है हमारे स्कैनर के बेसिस पे, जैसे हमें स्टॉक्स की लिस्ट मिलती है हमारे स्कैनर के बेसिस पे. यहाँ पे हमने हमारी वॉच लिस्ट आज के लिए ऐड कर दी है, जितने इतने सारे स्टॉक्स है उसकी लिस्ट अपने टेलीग्राम में अपने डाल दी थी पहले. स्कैनर सेट है स्कैन करने के लिए. जैसे ही हमें मार्केट शुरू होता है तो हमें आइडिया मिल जाएगी कौन सा स्टॉक हमें ट्रेड करना है. इट्स 9:15 guys, so you can clearly see there is a momentum in couple of stocks that we already have in our list. Very interesting. इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, स्कैन पे बटन दबा देंगे. ये तीनों तो हमने पहले से ही लगा कर रखे हैं, एमजीएल पे डिलीट और बी शॉर्ट, एमजीएल पे डिलीट और बी शॉर्ट. हमारा जो स्टॉक सिलेक्शन है वो राइट ऑन है, और देखते हैं कि और कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमें मिलती है कि नहीं. यहाँ पे हमें 3 स्टार सेटअप मिला है 1 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे. 5 मिनट में भी 3 स्टार सेटअप है. नॉट टू वरी, वी विल टेक इट फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, देखो कैसे होता है यहाँ पे. स्टूडेंट्स, you know what to do. This soft is also doing who else is this is also one of the stock that came into our stock selection, which is this Bharti Industries, this right here. भारती जो है नीचे चल रहा है, देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है उसमें. नो टाइम है, यू नॉट इन अ रश. और यहाँ से हम पिकअप करने के लिए देखेंगे कौन सा स्टॉक्स पिक करेंगे ट्रेड करने के लिए. really looking good. It is looking good for sell side, but just not yet. Just not yet. We have to wait for some confirmation, and then only we will take a trade and we'll decide which stocks we will take. MGL is on fire. MGL really good. There is stocks which opened with a very gap down. Along the 200 points down है अभी yesterday close से. देखिए ओपनिंग कहाँ पे हुई उसकी. Let's see what happens into that stock as well. But it's already 6-7% down, so there is not much movement left from that side. Be soft. MGL is always a winner. That came out of the range we selected. This stock perfectly 3-star volume and also came in the scanner. So it's all the ticks are clicked. Then we do have another stocks, Ultratech, Cement, and also the UPL. Ultratech is also a really good stock to trade for today. Looks like it is, yes. And then we do have UPL. UPL is okay. It's between somewhere kind of a range. Ultratech is good. MGL, like we talked about, is really good. It has a momentum. So you can clearly see, guys, we selected stocks, we run the scanner, and these are the stock that came into the scanner, and as per the setup, we actually trade them. So if MGL is going high, the brother of MGL is IGL, West Gas Limited, and it should be going also on the higher side. Let's check it out. Yes, you can clearly see. And here a great movement on IGL chart, and we will see from there. IGL crossed the threshold of 500 right now, and then 500 is a kind of a psychological level. So it's very tough to sustain above it, but we will see how it goes from here. Ultratech is also good. Elite, no chance. There is no opportunity in this one just yet, and doesn't look like in B soft as well. Uh, we'll see what happens. But MGL, IGL, Ultratech is really good. They picked up the momentum, and we'll see how it goes from here. IGL really good. MGL is good. B soft, just a kind of a flat so far, but we'll see. The first 5 minutes is over right now. Okay, Aarti Industries pulled on the higher side now, went down, but now it's back in the action again. There is no trade as per our setups on Aarti, so we will not think about that one anymore. And let's say we have any in the UPL. UPL is also in between the range, so there is nothing so far. IGL crossed the 500 level. The 500 has a big call writing. Okay. 500 has a big call writing. And when we look at the order flow, let's check it out. Order flow. Order flow will tell us what is happening inside that bar, the red bar, the second one and the first one. Let's check it out. So the first candle itself has a lot of buying took place around 4 lakhs. It is a big green candle, so a lot of volume. The second candle is kind of struggling to move on. Like I said, the 500 has a huge call writing, and the put writing is very little less. So the move it crossed from below 500 to above 500 is not going to sustain. That's what it looks like right now. As you know, the data is always and evolving and it's changing. We'll see after this kind of closure and then make our decision. Okay, and same goes with oh, MGL is good. MGL has nothing to do with IGL. MGL is good. Let's check it out. The MGL's order flow chart. Order flow chart. Let's see. MGL is also just like IGL. First candle huge. Uh, well, the second also kind of struggling, but not just yet confirmed. You can clearly see right here is a big stack of selling entered on the top of this candle. Right, the buyers are struggling to keep the momentum high, and the sellers are pushing the prices lower and lower. Let's see, they're trying, but we don't know if they're gonna be successful just yet. Okay, these are the sell position that are initiated, and these are the entire sell position. Now you can see the net buying is gone now. The buying got absorbed. Now selling is taking place in the bar, which is currently running. Okay, and also the option chain data is supporting the IGL. You will see, and right here IGL. Delete is no trade. The last stop is not just yet. Let's see. Ultratech, as I said, is really good and it's moving and moving. It's great. Okay, so this is how the scanner works, guys. It's very interesting scanner. It gives you momentum stocks in just a couple of minutes of market startup, and then you can trade as it goes. Okay, there is no such a tool in the market that can guide you. The market opens, and I try to develop this one, and you can see the result. Let's see the can bank. Can bank also selected. I think no trade in it. It's in our range. Ultratech MGL is good, looking good so far. Okay, and you can clearly see, and it came right in the scanner, both of them, Ultratech and the MGL, and we have selected that. Let's see what is happening in the MGL. What is happening in IGL. IGL is struggling to keep the prices higher, and options in data for IGL now changed because it's refreshed and now still looking good. The call writing is almost double than the morning, so they're trying to defend the 500 level, and we'll see if they will be successful in defending their position at 500 or higher. Okay, let's see what how it goes. But you can clearly see the order flow chart right here, and order flow suggests that these big stacks of selling at a higher level is taking everything away. And let's see. So now the second candle is a red candle. Buyers try to keep the prices higher, but they unfortunately didn't succeeded in that. Also, the seller tried to push the prices down. They are also they struggled a little bit. Okay, so that's what the order flow is telling you. The option chain in support with order flow. The order flow and the option chain are like they are they're indicating the prices should go a little down from here below the 500 level. That was the threshold and the crossing. Because the IGL crossed the 500 level, the crucial level, and option chain suggests it should not go higher because of the call writing at 500 level. MGL like very now it's really good to go for with this very small stop loss. We delete there is no trade because of the candles orientation is not as per our thing. And then we do have ultra text, which is also good to go for with the very small stop loss. However, my students they can see there is a formation of our extra setup we call as a bonus setup in this one. So let's see how it goes from here, and the bonus setup when it triggers, it will give you a good profit. So now we are in the dilemma of taking setup number one or the bonus setup. However, I will now wait for the bonus setup to execute, and then we'll take a trade from there. Okay, IGL, MGL, Ultratech, doing good. These are the scan results. They will not change even after a year or even after 2 years. So they will be just as it is. They will not move, and nothing will be changed. Okay, so UPL is okay to take a trade, but you can clearly see it's not in our range. IGL, like we looked at the thing. So now the buyers are trying to push the prices higher, but there is a very less volume compared to the previous candles. So we'll see how it goes. And also the call writing now started decreasing a little bit decrease than 5 minutes ago. Writing is now significantly increased, almost like three times than the morning. So this is how we trade using the scanner right here. We select the stop ahead, we implement that one, we wait for the setup to form, and then we enter. And when we are in doubt, avoid. Okay, what we do, we avoid because there is no such need of trading every single day and try to find the trade in every scenario. Okay, so this is the order flow chart of the Nifty. Nifty is not suggesting anything just yet because you can clearly see this is not a normal volume for the Nifty. It's only 26,000 of a delta, and it's a kind of indecisive. Nothing has came out of the boundary just yet, like buyers or sellers. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is showing some kind of a strength here, but you can clearly see it's just in a dilemma or in a confusion just yet. So order flow indicates that, not just the candle. When you look at the candle, you don't know what's happening. You see the red candle right here, but there is a buying took place in that red candle. Okay, the red candle has a buying in it. That's a kind of a divergence. That's a kind of a divergence that we look for to trade in. Okay, so Ultratech is very good for our bonus setup. Looks like that. EU Bank down, and now MGL. So MGL, IGL. IGL we have not confirmed just yet because of the data into IGL. The MGL is good. to initiate the buy signal and then exit as per our exit strategy. Right. So have a good day, guys, and we'll see you soon.